everyone, welcome to our channel Mrs. Diva. Mrs. Diva is an initiative to help all women gain financial independence. In this series of our videos, we are going to share out some amazing work from home business and work ideas, which is going to help all the housewives, stay-at-home moms, new mothers, or say college-going girls. These ideas are based on simple hobbies and interests we all share and can be started with zero or minimum investment. Please feel free to ask us any questions you have in the comments section below, and you could also connect with us over WhatsApp. We will also help women entrepreneurs in growing their existing business by suggesting innovative and viable business solutions to their problems as shared by experienced entrepreneurs. Please like our videos, share it with the women in your life, and subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss even a single idea. Thank you.